Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to cancel a booking on Setmore. Setmore is a great scheduling platform that's used by businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use and it's very affordable. However, there may be times when you need to cancel a booking. This could be because you've double booked yourself because you're sick or because something else has come up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a booking on Setmore. How to cancel a booking on Setmore. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Bookings tab. Find the booking that you want to cancel. Click on the Cancel button. Confirm that you want to cancel the booking. Additional tips. If you need to cancel a booking more than 24 hours in advance, you can do so by clicking on the Reschedule button instead of the Cancel button. If you need to cancel a booking less than 24 hours in advance, you will need to contact your client directly. If you cancel a booking, you will be refunded the full amount of the booking fee. That's how to cancel a booking on Setmore. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video on how to cancel a booking on Setmore. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm always happy to answer your questions, so please leave a comment below if you have any. Thanks for watching. See you next time.